Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Wish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down to the help section and then just click on the customer support button. And here you can see there are several categories that you can choose from to receive help. So for example, if you need some help with your account and setting, then just click on that, and then you can further get help, for example in your notification settings, and then it will get you to the right place and explain what you can do. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.